Welcome back. It is Corey again. The next topic that I want to talk about is communication with clients and transparency in the transaction. So what we've created here at CountryWide Real Estate Group is essentially the Domino's pizza tracker of real estate. So what I mean by that is it allows clients, whether they're sellers or buyers, to see exactly what's happening in the transaction, to actually see their documents that are happening in the transaction and what the dates are for upcoming things. So I'm going to show you a walkthrough real quick right now. So this is the client portal, or what we call the road to close with CountryWide Real Estate Group. If you click on this individual transaction here, you're going to see a picture of the house. You're going to see the team and contact information for the client. This is a seller, a mock seller one. So it's got the agent, it's got the inside sales agent, it's got the transaction coordinator with all their contact information and ability to message them directly in the portal here. So you can tag the sellers can tag you, they can talk to vendors. Everything can happen in one simple audit trail, which is pretty powerful. Next up, services. All the vendors that will have access to this will be within here. So your mortgage broker can share documents, comment with the client, the media company, the attorney can upload documents. Based on what kind of vendor they are, they'll have certain permissions. For instance, lawyers have more permissions than a handyman, let's say. But everybody has access to the transaction, and it's one centralized place to look at everything. So one of the more powerful things to do with this portal we created was what we call the roadmap, so the road to close. So if you click on that, you can see new listing. You can see it's got the dates when different things or milestones are going to happen with the transaction. So listing contract signed, maintenance and staging date, media day, and the MLS live day. These are green because these have already happened. This next one, open house, is the next two upcoming open houses, which will update in real time based on our integration. So it goes all the way down. You can see all the different things that are going to happen. This is what the client will see. As a seller, they'll be able to see exactly what's happening and what percentage of the transaction is done already. When you get an accepted offer with that client on this listing, it opens up another roadmap or another road to close with further dates that will populate once we know what those dates are from the contract, of course. When the subjects are removed, it's going to remind them, please leave us a 5-star review on Google. It's got the upcoming completion and possessions days. All of these tasks that are happening and all of these dates will automatically trigger and notify the client as time goes on. So what it does is it makes you look like you're super communicative and you're very, very transparent about what's going on, and clients absolutely love it. So that's the gist of the transaction coordination. The next section is the document section. So here you can share what documents you want the client to be able to see, and you can share which ones they aren't able to see as well. So this is within our system here. This is where we have it broken down for this mock transaction. And then there's the comment section where you can actually add a transaction, or sorry, add a note here for an individual transaction coordinator or the client, or one of the vendors as well. So that is the gist of the client portal, or the road to close with CountryWide Real Estate Group. I really think as an agent, you should try to put something like this together. I feel like this is a big missing piece in the real estate industry, and I feel like clients really, really, really are starving for it. So hope you're well, and yeah, get in touch if you'd ever like to have a chat. Take care.